Well, tithing to me means giving your heart. I think that's the first thing that comes to mind is your heart, because anybody can give something. I can hand you something right now and not really mean anything about it, but I think tithing is all about one's heart.
I think if you can give money, I mean, I feel like that's such an important part of somebody's life is money. You know, you have to live off of money. Everything revolves pretty much around money. And if you can give that to the church, to God, then you're already far beyond what most people can even envision or imagine, because you're just the ability to give up something like that.
Yeah, it's kind of coming out your comfort zone.
Yeah, coming out your comfort zone.
Yeah, it's everyone's comfortable with their money and having as much as they can, to keeping as much as they can, saving and so forth. But if you're willing to come off of something so precious, it must really mean something. Hopefully it'll mean something.
Yeah, because it's something that you're working hard towards. You know, that's money that you're working towards. It's hard. You can see, envision, I can go on a vacation with that money, or I can do all kinds of stuff with that money. But again, I think it's about your heart and what you're trying to do, and how the conviction that it has on you that this is to build up the kingdom.
When I got off of my last set of active duty orders back in October, from mid-October to
February,
the first week of February, I was unemployed. I was unemployed for that amount of time. That's right in the middle of holidays. Holidays, Christmas, all that right there. Unemployed. Well, throughout the entire time, we made it just fine.
But the biggest part about that is we're not going into debt doing it. We didn't go into debt for Christmas. We didn't charge up a bunch of credit cards to try to prove something, because it's not all about that.
Just go for it. Give it a chance. Give it an opportunity, because God can't lie. You can't make a liar out of God. There's been a lot of people on this earth for many years, and who are you to come along here in this day and this time and gonna make a lie out of God for what He say what He's gonna do?
If you want growth in your life and you want to move on to the next level, and you feel like you're just stuck, trust Him and move on to that next level by saying, you know what, I'm going to start tithing. Give it 6 months, give it a time period or whatever, and I promise you that God will move. Yeah, watch the blessings come and pour in, and you're going to be like, why haven't I done this sooner?